foul play. Stay in the bounds. We have 5 minutes to hide this flag and you have 10 to find it. Let's go. The war is on.
Rose and Crips all got along. They probably gun me down by the end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear yak, 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 yak.
Man down, where you from? No, where you from, mine? Where your grandma stay, huh, mine? This mad city I run, mine.
Brace yourself, I take you on a trip down memory lane. This is not a rap, I'm slinging crackle. This is cul-de-sac and plenty cognac and major pain. Not the drill sergeant, but the stress that weighing on your brain. It was me, El Boogie, Yang Yang, watching Lucky ride down Rosecrans. It got ugly, waving your hand out the window. Check yourself. Warriors and Conans, hope euphoria can slow dance with society. The driver seat, first one to get killed. Light skin with his brains blown out at the same burger stand with same gout. Now this is not a tape recorder saying that he did it, but ever since that day I was looking at him different. That was back when I was 9. Joey packed a 9, pack a stand on every porch is fine. We adapt to crime, with 4 guns at a time with the sliding. Shooting 4 if you ain't walking up.
The flag.
Pump picking up. Bunch of waller bullets coming from AKs, ARs, AR, duck. That's what mama said when we was eating that free lunch. Oh man, goddamn, all hell broke loose. You killed my cousin back in 94. Truce, now crawl your head in that noose. You wind up dead on the news. Ain't no peace treaty, just peace and BG's up to pre-approved. Bodies on top of bodies, IVs on top of IVs. Obviously the coroner between the sheets like the Osleys. When you hop on that trolley, make sure your color's correct. Make sure you're corporate or they'll be calling your mother collect. They say the governor collect all of our taxes except when we in traffic and tragic happens. That ain't no threat. You moving backwards if you suggest that you sleep with a tech. Go buy your chopper and have a doctor on speed dial, I guess. Matt City.
Man down, where you from? No, where you from, mine? Where your grandma stay, huh, mine? This mad city I run, mine.
If Rose and Crips all got along, they probably gun me down by the end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear yak, yak.